Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha. Brewing your own kombucha at home is a rewarding and surprisingly simple process. We'll walk through an easy method, breaking down each step to ensure your success. You'll learn about the few key ingredients and basic equipment required, then dive into the 2 fermentation stages that transform sweet tea into a tangy, fizzy, and gut-friendly beverage. Get ready to enjoy your very own homemade kombucha. To begin your kombucha journey, you'll need a few simple items. Start with about 1.5 liters of filtered water. You'll also need 4 black tea bags or 10 grams of loose leaf tea and 100 to 200 grams of granulated sugar. The heart of your brew is the SCOBY, a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, along with 100 to 200 milliliters of starter liquid. For equipment, a clean 1-gallon glass jar, a breathable cloth cover, and a rubber band will complete your setup. The first fermentation is where the magic begins. First, boil about 4 cups of filtered water. Remove from heat, add your tea bags or loose leaf tea, and stir in 3/4 of a cup of cane sugar until dissolved. Let this sweet tea steep for about 15 minutes, then cool it to between 70 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 to 32 degrees Celsius. Once cooled, pour it into your glass jar, add your SCOBY and 2 cups of starter tea. Cover with a cloth and secure with a rubber band, then let it ferment for 7 to 12 days in a still, room-temperature location. Now for the exciting part, flavoring and carbonation. Carefully remove your SCOBY and set aside about 200 milliliters of the unflavored kombucha for your next brew. Pour the remaining kombucha into clean, airtight bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. This is where you add your favorite flavorings, such as a 1/4 to 1/3 cup of pureed fruit, a few slices of fresh ginger, or a tablespoon or 2 of fruit juice per 16-ounce bottle. Seal the bottles tightly and let them ferment at room temperature for 2 to 5 days to develop fizz, remembering to burp them daily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.